Good morning. Okay, so today I'm going to be using Payne's Gray by Golden Acrylics. It's a heavy-bodied paint, this one. But I have Pink Quartz by Extreme Sheen mixed equal parts with Floetrol and paint. This is Arteza's Marmalade. I love this color. It's their from their new heavy-bodied premium metallic acrylics line. It's not all that heavy-bodied, but what I like about it is the ratio of mixing. I mean, I literally put a half a tablespoon of paint in this container and filled it with I used Liquitex pouring medium and gloss and some Floetrol. I mean, it just goes so far, and there's less mixing because it's somewhat soft. This is their Aztec Gold. I used it just recently in another painting, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Oh, real quick, and maybe one of you will pick it up here, but this is Pearl Deep Brown. And if any of you know, or if you can think back, I never, ever use a brown. So I'm really excited to give it a try. Figured it would be a nice color with the rest of them. Lord knows I could be imagining things. But this is the Treasured Folk Art Blue. I think it is. Blue Quartz, Treasured Gold by Folk Art. So, good morning, everyone. So we're gonna paint a 20 by 20 today, and I'm not sure what I really want to do, but I have some colors here. I have Payne's Gray by Golden. I have Blue Quartz by Treasure Gold Folk Art. This is the Aztec Gold from the Arteza's Premium Metallics, and it is just gorgeous. I have Rose Quartz by Extreme Sheen, equal parts Floetrol to paint. I have Arteza's Marmalade, Pearl Marmalade, which is one of my favorite colors. And, oh no. For those of you who have watched my channel for a while, you may notice I never use brown, and today I'm going to. I'm using, after I clean it up because I just spilt it everywhere, I'm using Pearl Brown by Arteza as well. So there it is. So those are the colors we're going to use. I have my white, 2 parts Artist Loft Flow Acrylic to Floetrol, and yeah, so that's what we're going to use. No idea what I'm doing. I was going to do a layered cup, but I'm sort of feeling the need to do a funnel pour, something different, and we'll get going in just a minute. Okay, here we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is, I think we're going to start here. Let me just do a bit of a puddle there. And I'm just going to start with my colors. The Aztec Gold. I'm going to do some Payne's Gray. it's nice and full. I'm gonna try and do this so you guys can see. It's definitely not coming out like I wanted it to. My paints might be too thick. So I think that's all I'm going to need, but we'll see. It doesn't look like much, so hopefully it'll look like something soon. All right, so let's give it a torch. I'm not sure what'll come out of this, but it's fun to do it either way. Actually, before I torch, I think I want to add a little. That's it. Okay. Then I'm gonna stretch it out, and that'll be it. I think I am done. Yeah, I really love this piece. Came out better than I thought it would. Although, this is gonna drive me nuts. It's there and I don't want it to be. So I'm thinking that is it. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up in just one moment. So I decided to add, oh, that's a little too far. Let me see if I can pull you guys back just a little bit. Some Payne's gray in here. So I added this little bit right here. As you can see, some of it's coming out there. And I feel like it needs a little more. So I'm just going to come right in and drag it through. So just needs a little extra. I love this area. All right. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in. I'm done fiddling, so I'll be back. All right, here we are. I wish you guys could see the color. It's just amazing. The pink and gold. It never shows the right color, but this piece is so pretty. This is my favorite part. Of course, keep it to a corner. But yeah, so there it is. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You know, give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell for notifications. Thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.